So now question number 26. Exercise 1, phase 6, indefinite integration mathematics. Now, as I have told earlier also, golden rule is in such type of cases, convert in sine and cos. So this can be done as 1 upon sine square x into cos 4x dx. Now remember here, this one I can write as sine square x plus cos square x. So I will write this one as sine square x plus cos square x. But one important thing is that there is by the power 6, 4 here, 2 here. So cos 4 is there. So if I square this also, it will remain 1. 1 is nothing but 1 square upon sine square x cos 4x dx. Expand sine power 4x plus cos power 4x plus 2 sine square x cos square x divided by sine square x cos 4x sine square x cos 4x sine square x cos power 4x dx. Now see, this sine square x will cancel sine square x. So sine square x upon cos square x. Now I can write this as sine square x upon cos 4x. Cos square x into cos square x plus cos square x will cancel. So it is a cot square x plus sine square x will cancel, cos square x, 2 sec square x dx. Now you can see this is in very simple integrable form. This is in integrable form. Okay, this will cancel, cos 4 will cancel. So here you will have here a cosec square x directly. This cosec square x will come. So this will be cosec square x. 1 upon sine square x in the cosec square x. So this is our tan square x into sec square x. Tan square x into sec square x plus cosec square x plus 2 sec square x dx. Integrate. In this, what we will do? Take tan x is equal to t, sec square x is dt. So t cube upon 3. So this will be tan cube x upon 3. Integration of cosec square x is minus cot x plus 2. Integration of sec square x is tan x. So tan x plus c. That is the answer of this. So thank you.